Inserting a cover page in the document. So far, we have composed many important types of documents in MS Word. We have composed some articles too, and we have saved them. But the articles that we have composed, they are without cover pages. It will be better if they are presented with a cover page. In MS Word, for our document, we can create a cover page. MS Word 2007 includes many pre-formatted cover pages. They are termed as cover page. We can make changes in the pre-installed design to suit our content. We can save this cover page created by us in the cover page gallery. All the documents are normally presented with a cover page. A cover page can be inserted in the document by this process. 1. First, click on the Insert tab. Click on the arrow of the cover page command in the Pages group. 2. In the built-in box, we can see samples of cover pages. From the cover pages that you can see, click on the required cover page from the box. 3. This cover page gets inserted in our document. In the inserted cover page, according to our document, type the title in Document Title. 4. After selecting a cover page, a Format tab gets opened in the ribbon. Make appropriate changes in the cover page with the help of this Format tab and save the document.